Mahirap gumawa ng quality time for yourself, especially when you're a hands-on mom and a businesswoman. Nakaka-pressure kasi kailangan mo maging teacher to your kids, professional at work, and still have quiet time to work on and improve yourself. But how do you balance all of these responsibilities? It feels like you're on call 24/7. You won't believe this, but one of our watercolor students, Mitchie, has actually managed to juggle all of this. As a full-time homeschooler mom that does business and acting, Mitchie was able to fast-track her watercolor painting progress in just 4 months. But how? What's her secret to juggling all her mommy duties, her career aspirations, and still having time to accomplish her artistic goals? Stay tuned because in this video, Mitchie will be revealing more about her life, her art journey, and lahat ng challenges that she overcame to get to this point. Hello and good evening to you, Michi. Ayan. So guys, this is Michi and she is our guest for tonight. Okay, so Michi, marami kami mga pin-prepare na questions for you tonight kasi gusto namin malaman yung naging journey mo and yung naging story mo when you before and after kang matuto ng watercolor painting. So are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Ayan. So sige, I wanna know first muna, Michi. Kasi ang dami mong mga na marami tayong pinakita kanina ng mga watercolor painting. So first, I am curious. When and how did you fall in love with watercolor?
Meron tayong, it's a floral painting, yung may roses na loose, yung petal. Doon talaga nag-start. Kasi I realized na, if I will let the paint itself just merge with water naturally, parang tipong you let it flow, ang ganda niya. So, yun talaga yung na-realize ko na, um, maganda ang watercolor. Yun, if you're gonna ask me, yung first wreath na I think it's one of the exercises from Sir Ian, yun.
Michi, I also remember nung nag-usap tayo before na may kinuwento ka sa akin about this painting, right? So
Yes.
sabi mo na one of your goal talaga is to paint this, right? So can you tell me
Yes.
more about that?
Um, this is Jonathan Rumi. Ayun, nakakilala sa kanya, no. He's portraying Jesus in the series Chosen. And medyo kinabahan ako. I-drawing siya or i-paint siya because I know na marami talagang magagaling. But na-inspire ako dun sa isang artist. Her name is Akian. Akian, I think. Nakita ko, ang ganda nung pagkaka-paint niya. So sabi ko, gusto ko talagang i-paint si Jesus, but I want to have a model na hindi siya ganun kakilala. Tapos pinag-pray ko lang din to and then I realized it's Jonathan Rumi pala all along. So sabi ko, sige, sana magawa ko siya in full. Kasi yung challenge ko dito sa painting na to, black yung hair niya. So medyo yun yung isa sa mga challenges ko, yung black color sa hair. It was Christmas, by the way, nung ginawa ko to. Tapos sabi ko, this time, Lord, I wanna give back the glory to you by painting your face na ang model is, of course, the actor himself, Jonathan Rumi. So, yun lang, giving back the glory lang to the creator who gave the talents to me or to us. Yun lang po.
I also want to know, what was the beginning of your art journey like? Kamusta yung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang as an aspiring watercolor artist?
I was a young girl. I just sketch, ganyan. And I used the normal student grade um, materials like crayons, oil-based pastel, and then etong student grade na watercolor which is gamit to ng anak ko. So bata pa lang ako, nagdo-drawing na ako. But of course, due to priorities in life, I have to set aside, no? I have to set aside this skill na ma-develop siya until last year. Tama ba? Last year tayo nag-start eh.
Mm-mm.
So, etong painting dito sa right, yung floral na student grade yung gamit ko, I did this sa La Union and it was my birthday. Sabi ko, sige, pag nakuha ko kahit konti lang dun sa vase na yon, I will enroll. sabi ko. Pero kinakabahan pa din ako dahil I know for a fact na hindi naman talaga ako into watercolor. Nung nag-follow up ka sa akin, Miss Anne, sabi ko, ayun na, sumagat na si God, na i-go mo na. And apart from that, it's a gift also to myself. Kasi ko, okay, birthday ko naman pagbigyan ko yung sarili kong matuto ng bagong skill. So yun, nag-decide na ako because of that. Because of this floral na nasa kanan.
Nung nagsisimula ka pa lang, did you have like struggles?
Yes, of course. Number one, yung mindset ko na, kaya ko ba? That's one. Second, will I be able to make it? Kasi, syempre, sina Sir John, sina Sir Ian, pag nakita mo yung painting nila, ay, ang gaganda. So, nagkakaroon din, of course, no, ng takot sa sarili na baka hindi ko masundan. Yun. So, that's my challenge. But, as I push through, during our Zoom meetings, nakikita ko, ay, kaya naman palang sundan. I realize also, mabigat yung kamay ko pag nagpe-paint. So sabi ko, ay, ito pala yung isa sa kailangan kong matutunan. How to handle the brushes ng hindi mabigat yung kamay. So, yun yung mga challenges ko. Tsaka as you can see dito sa left side, yung pink na flower. Sobrang struggle is real. I mean, from bigat ng kamay, pati blending and water control. Yun pa, those are my other challenges.
So, ito yung mga works ni Michi when she's just starting. Ito nga yung isa dito. Ito pa yung naging sign niya, diba? To finally, ito na, gagrab ko na tong opportunity na to. But now, guys, I want you to see, ano na ba yung mga nakakaya na i-paint ni Michi? Ayan. So, guys, ito, diba? Exciting. When she joined, nung June, ito yung ginawa niya, diba? But after just 1 month, you can see a very big improvement in just 1 month. And of course, with the consistency, diba? Consistent practice, and also support and guidance from the community, August, September, and November. Right? Kitang-kita niyo, napakalaki na nung improvement and she's really good at it now. Diba? So, Michi, can you tell us about this? Ano ba yung makakwento mo sa amin about this watercolor like florals?
Yeah, nagsunog ako ng kilay, Miss Ana. Nagsunog ng kilay. I mean, I push through na I need to learn. Siguro, a bit of pressure sa akin. No one is pressuring me, by the way. It's just me na, okay, I need to learn. I need to learn how to do this, how to do that, without comparing myself to other co-artists. But, comparing myself to my past work, while thinking of such parang insurmountable ideas ba on my plate or activities on my plate, I realized I just have to really sit down, one activity at a time, and focus on it. So, nung June, sabi ko, ay, pang grade 1 yung gawa ko. Sabi kong gano'n. Sabi ko, sige, yung susunod kong floral painting, try naman natin pang grade 7. Di ba? Medyo gano'n naman. So, I'm like putting also a goal, small goals to myself na by and by, ma-challenge ko yung sarili ko or ma-overcome ko yung challenge na yun sa sarili ko. So, I'm practicing the brush strokes na sinasabi ni na Sir Ian tsaka ni na Sir John every day. And nag-sketch ako every day. Inaabot ako minsan guys ng 3 a.m. pag wala akong trabaho or wala akong ginagawa just to learn. So, nagkaroon ako ng ganun. Siguro ito yung July na napuyat ako. Misan, yung orchid. Ako puyat ako dyan guys. So, pinagpuyat ako talaga siya. And I realized, ay, kaya pala. Sabi kong ganun. Kaya naman pala. Naka-grade 7 tayo. So, the thing is, you just have to make time. You know, I just have to make time for it talaga. And set aside the other activities and focus on what I can do at that moment. I-let go ko muna yung mga apprehensions na, ay, baka pangit, ganun. Or i-let go ko yung doubt sa sarili ko. So, in short, face the fear. Face the fear talaga. And make time for it.
So, ito, I am not sure if this is like the painting na na-mention mo kanina, 'di ba? So, eto ba 'yan, tama ba?
Yes, that's
Okay.
it. Oo. Tapos parang I've got that verse na she's strong. I actually gave this to one of my friends kasi namatayan siya ng lolo. And I realized I have to give this to her lola actually. So yun, may purpose, no? May purpose din yung pagpe-paint mo minsan na ba't yun ang pinipaint mo or bakit yun yung idea na pumasok sa isip mo. And that's true. Ito yung first painting ko, I think prior to the orchid, na natuwa ako na I had just have to loosen up. Kasi loose yung ano dito, 'di ba? Yung technique na ginamit namin for the rose and the leaves ng wreath. So I just have to parang ako din, no, kailangan ko mag-loosen up ng konti. Wag ko masyadong i-pressure yung sarili ko na dapat perfect talaga siya or kamukhang-kamukha dapat nung artwork nung mentor namin. Yung water control, yung technique and all, by and by, natututunan din pala siya.
Kanina na-mention mo din na yung mga painting mo na 'to, lalo na yung sa vase, ito yung naging dahilan mo para mag-decide na, "Okay, magjo-join na ako sa art course." But before ka mag-decide nun, did you have any hesitations? Parang may pumigil ba sa'yo na parang, ayoko yata." May gano'n din ba?
Oo. Kasi, di ba, I mean, prior to joining the course,
Mm.
dami kong iniisip. For moms like me, I'm pretty sure every single day, yung utak natin punong-puno siya ng activity. So, number one, yung school ng kids. Yon, isa yon. Sabi ko, kaya pa ba ng oras ko? Kaya pa ba ng power ko? Kaya ko pa ba? Kasi syempre, I'm already a mom. My priorities in life has changed. Can I still do this while working? Ang dami kong inisip talaga. And I realized na wala naman palang age, no, when it comes to arts. It's just that you need to have that right mindset din. So, ayun, nag-decide talaga ako mag-join because the very goal is to teach my son how to do proper art. Kasi required siya sa school. So, I really have to know how to do proper art pa, ganun. So, learning is something na I have to do. Babalik ko yung tanong na ang dami kong inisip. Yes, sobra. Time, money, number one ko talaga time eh. Kasi nga may mga shoot, diba? May mga audition, yun. And then money, may budget ba ako?
Mm,
So
mm.
yun, sabi ko, kaya ba ng bulsa ko to? Isisingit ko pa to? And then lastly, power, kaya pa ba ng powers ko? Tsaka meron ba akong ka-age na makaka-relate sa akin? May ka-level ba ako na pang grade 1? Sabi ko gano'n. May baka mamaya lahat sila magagaling na, sabi ko. I realized then na it's not really a comparison of your journey to other co-artists, pero ikaw talaga yun. And I'm happy, no, that I really decided to join the course.
You also said na parang, one of the reason why I joined this course is talaga para sa son ko, eh. So, 'di ba, sabi mo and
Exact.
sabi mo din kanina na, when you started, talagang student grade yung ginamit mo, like yung set lang na pang-school or yung pang-bata. How do you feel now na you have come this far, 'di ba? Imagine kung babalikan mo yung umpisa, tapos ngayon eto na. How do you feel now?
Grabe lang kasi I'm happy with my decision na I joined you guys kasi yung goal ko of passing the knowledge to Marcos, it really happened. And loud and proud lang, no, if I may say, nanalo siya ng champion dito sa artwork na to. This is all my son's idea, by the way. And yung technique on how to do it, binigyan ko lang siya ng konting idea. So, kung baga yung passing of knowledge, yung pinaka-goal ko, nangyari siya. So, kaya sobrang happy ko talaga. I know naman na ang magbe-benefit dito talaga si Marcos eh. Kasi when the mom learns, and I'm homeschooling, again, I'm the main parent teacher, nagbe-benefit talaga yung ating student. So, walang sayang, walang tapon when I joined the course. And the community, no, yung community na meron kami as co-artists, we really support and encourage each other. Kasi there will be moments na ang tingin mo sa artwork mo, sobrang pangit. Parang ang pangit naman ito, ganyan. But then, someone will really encourage you. And sa paningin nila, maganda naman pala. 'Di ba? Sometimes ganun eh, pangit sa paningin mo, maganda sa iba. So it's a win-win situation for me kasi nakakatuwa, pag pagod ako, gagawa kami ng painting session ng anak ko, and then I would go to my classmates, check their work. Nakakaaliw, no, how they encourage also, how I was encouraged by them too.
What affected you the most when it comes to creating your artwork? So for example, yung materials ba na ginagamit mo, yung help ba from the mentors, or is it the community?
Mhm. In a way, no, I would say everything has a positive effect talaga. The materials that I use, which I love, Himi-Miya, sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung watercolor na to. The community na meron tayo, sina Sir Ian, sina Sir John, very encouraging. Even yung Miss Anne, lahat kayo, yung the way we set up the coaching sessions, everything is really helpful to me as a watercolor student. I don't feel pressured when I paint kasi lahat nakakatulong talaga. If you would ask me, what really impacts me the most, yung community na meron tayo. Kasi the co-artists, yung mga co-artists ko, very supportive sila with helping each other, building up, through encouraging words. And at the same time, yung mga critic sessions natin, yung where to improve, those are really helpful.
How does this watercolor course help you as a homeschooler mom?
Yung passing of knowledge to Marcos, to my son, that's na-hit na namin yung goal eh. And at the same time, painting is one of our way to relax dun sa mga assignment or dun sa mga homework. Just loosen up a bit. Kasi syempre, when you're teaching an 8-year-old, diba? Yung span of attention niya maikli. So I have to do creative ways on how to spice up our learning time. So one of them is painting. So hinahayaan ko lang siya mag-paint. I'm gonna give him paper. Kamukha nito yung sa video na to. Sabi ko, what do you want? Sabi niya, I wanna do landscape. So, okay, go, do landscape. So it's a way for me also to think na, okay, my son is loving painting. And then sabi ko, nagkaka-idea tuloy ako, Miss Anne, na parang I will incorporate arts into the other subjects na din. So yun, nangyayari talaga siya and beneficial sa akin ng painting. Me also, nare-relax ako. It's a way for me to relax mentally. Kasi when you do sketching, when you do painting, kasi there's like in psychology, 'di ba? There's a connection between our hands and our mind. So when you do something on your hand, nagre-replenish yung mind natin, yung brain natin, yung wiring ng brains nagre-rewire.
Ito yung pinakamadalas ko na tinatanong pag naiisip ko lahat ng ginagawa mo. Paano mo pinagkakasya lahat ng ginagawa mo sa 24 hours a day? Tapos you still have time for painting.
Hindi ko sasabihin na ginagawa ko in a day. Kunwari, MWF, I will paint. TTHS, I will sit down, review my painting, do my other work. Ganon. So, I really don't do all my activities in a day. I would have to leave some of the activities kapag, kunwari magpe-painting na ako. Focus lang talaga ako doon. Iiwanan ko muna lahat ng iba kong ginagawa. And then I would set a time frame. Kung 2 hours, 2 hours. Siguro, yung unang painting ko, 6 hours tagal, di ba? Pero yung mga sumunod, nag-time in ako, 4 hours. Ayan, sumunod, 3 hours. Ganun. So, I set talaga ng time. And then, I list my schedules. Tapos, madalas, sa gabi na ako nagpe-paint. Ayun, sa around 7 p.m., ganyan. Madalas ngayon, weekend ko na siya nagagawa. Ayun. So, talagang set time.
Mm-mm-mm. Also, can you share with us what do you think is the most important lesson you learned during your journey, during your watercolor journey?
The top one is patience. Patience and willingness to learn. Sabi ko nga nung una naiiyak ako 'pag ginagawa ko 'to kasi ko, ba't gano'n gumanda?" Nagtaka ako gumanda, but yung heart mo to learn dapat nandun kasi. Of course, hindi naman laging perfect or magkakamali rin. Nagkamali rin ako, may mga paintings ako na, ay nagkamali ako ng brush stroke, hindi tama yung gawa ko. But I continued with it and yung mga critic session, feedback, I made sure na I would uh, do kung ano yung sinuggest ni Sir Ian at saka ni Sir John. Nakakatuwa. Tsaka yung joy while doing this passion. Passion din kasi ang mag-paint eh. So, you have to have that heart of, ay, magre-relax ako for today. Magpe-paint lang ako. And it's gotta be beautiful. So, ini-envision ko na rin yung pinaka-final output. So, those are the things na kailangan meron din ako mindsetting, right mindset, diba? Before ko gawin yung artwork. Time setting, mind setting, and overall talaga, patience. Yun talaga eh. To sum it up, patience talaga.
Was there a time na parang naisip mo na, parang I want to quit, maybe this is not for me? Parang sumagi din ba sa isip mo yun na parang na-discourage ka?
I think there was once na
Mhm.
sabi ko, baka tama na. Tama na ako maging estudyante kasi teacher na, estudyante pa,
Mm.
nagtatrabaho. Sabi ko baka ano na 'to, enough na. Pero nilabanan ko talaga siya minsan. Tapos nung kinoach mo ako 'no, 'di ba sabi mo, "How
Mm.
are you?" It was really helpful. Sobrang gumaan yung pakiramdam ko kasi I feel like I can have a safe space in our community na, ay, 'pag hindi ko feel, puwede ako magsabi, "Guys, wala akong ano ngayon." Parang, "Yeah, I'm not in the mood to do this." Tapos 'di ba, may mga encouraging words tayong maririnig from the co-artist din. And then sa inyo din mismo kina Sir Ian. Even Sir Ian, sent me a message, kinamusta
Mm.
rin niya ako. Sabi niya, "Michi, ikaw ba yung nandun sa commercial ng Joy?" Yun ang una niya. Sabi ko, "Yes, sir." Tapos parang ako, naku, baka mamaya fina-follow up na niya ako sa assignment. Sabi ko, "Yes, sir, ako yan." Tapos sabi niya, "How are you? Na-miss ko na painting mo." Ganyan. Sabi ko,
Mm.
naku, ano na 'to, nagko-call attention na to do it. So I thought I will quit and not continue. But I did not act on it. So, in short, I push through na gawin ko yung artwork, gawin ko yung assignment. Kasi ang haba naman ng time frame eh.
Mm.
Nagkataon lang na ang daming kong na activities on that month. Kaya medyo na-backlog ako nun. But the mere fact na naisip ko siya, yes, naisip ko siya. But I did not act on it. In short, it's just a matter of facing that negative thinking. And also with the help of our community, with your help, Miss Anne, um, nakapag-push through tayo. So again, I think the key is discipline over motivation. So yes, you need to be motivated, but you need to embrace discipline first para ma-motivate ka to push through and continue.
Ano ba, where do you see yourself as an artist by the end of 2023? Ano na ba yung mga goals? Kasi 'di ba last year sinet mo na, okay, I want to paint Jesus, like portrait. Paano ngayong 2023? Do you have goals na ba as an artist?
Actually, when you ask me that, napaisip ako, what's the next plan? So, my next goal is to paint on a bigger canvas. Kasi itong si Cotman is bigger than Hinimiya eh. So, sabi ko, ay, mas okay pala pag bigger. The bigger, the better. Ganun. Kasi dati, gusto ko maliliit lang. Half lang ni A4. Nagtitipid. At saka sabi ko, para ano muna, testing muna. Yun pala, it would be best if you would paint on a bigger canvas. So, that's one of my goals, paint on a bigger canvas. And then, siguro I'll try the other painting materials or watercolor materials. The second. And lastly, guys, yun, yung mga exhibit, I also want to join yung mga art exhibit. And hopefully, masabi ko na, I can do commission-based painting na. So, yun. Yun yung isa sa mga faith goal ko. Yeah.
Exciting. So, yeah. So, abangan namin yan, diba? I'm rooting for you yung let's go sa exhibit, diba? Taking commission. So, ayan na. And, diba? Sabi nga, laging sinasabi din to ni Sir Ian mag-paint kayo sa bigger paper. Wag laging
True.
maliit. Diba? So, diba? Masayang-masaya yan. So, ayan, we have our first question here from Leia. Sabi niya, how do you decide or guide for color combination? Ayan. So, paano ka daw nakakadesign na ito yung pagmimix ko?
First, we have, kasi di ba sa class, we have yung tutorials galing kina Sir Ian tsaka Sir John. So, yung color combination kasama din, tinuturo din nila. Even ilang percent yung water, ilang percent yung color, should it be more saturated? Should it be watery? Ganon. So, minsan timpla-timpla lang din. Talagang kay Sir John, sinusundan ko yung mga tutorials niya. And dun, yung mixing ng colors, pati yung ilang percent, nababanggit niya dun sa Zoom class natin. So, yun.
Kanina, nung nagbe-browse ako ng social media, nakita ko yung like one particular post mo na sabi mo na, naiiyak ako kasi sometimes I feel doubtful na baka mamaya aside from acting, baka ito na lang talaga yung talent ko. So, ngayon ba, do you feel confident na? Di ba, parang nawala na ba yung mga doubts na yon?
If I would say, kung nawala yung doubts, Miss Anne, meron pa din eh. Kasi alam mo yun, parang there will be moments na maganda ba yung gawa ko, gaganda ba? However, I am not magnifying talaga those negative lies. Lies kasi yun eh. When God gave you a talent, alam niya, 'di ba? Alam niya kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Alam niya yung gusto niyang ipagawa. Alam niya kung ano yung gusto niyang ipagawa sa iyo. So, there are always na moment na nagda-doubt pa din ako kung kaya ko. But I will not magnify. Hindi ko talaga mina-magnify yung nilalabanan ko siya. With a good fight of faith na, Lord, kaya natin to. Kasi, what's the goal? I'm sticking to my big whys eh. Parang, ba't ko nga ba to ginawa? Ba't ba ako nag-enroll? Bumabalik ako doon. Those things, aside sa community natin na sobrang supportive, those things are really helping me. So, yun lang. Stick to your big whys.
Eto, meron tayong question from Leia. Sabi niya, random po ba yung inspiration na sumusulpot sa inyo when you paint?
Ganda ng question niya. Yeah. Random. Minsan, I want to paint floral, landscape. Right now, natutuwa ako sa nose, lips, and eyes, parts ng human. Kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga, guys, maka-paint ng realistic. So, random. But right now, I think my mind wants to paint more facial features. And there will be times I'm envisioning quotes, verses. Tapos meron talagang napipicture ako na image na ito yung gusto kong i-paint. So, pag ganun, ini-sketch ko na siya right away.
Another question from Ronald. Sabi niya, when did you get interested in art?
Actually, Ronald, bata pa lang ako. Nag-drawing na ako. Alam ng mom ko to, my mom is here also. Nagsusulat ako. Kumbaga, into creative arts talaga. And then, I also do acting. Bata pa lang. So, yung visual arts, which is ito, bata pa lang. But, it stopped. It stopped nung high school. And even nung college, nag-focus talaga ako. So, yung when is that time, pandemic yun guys. 'Di ba? Nung lockdown. Kasi grabe, I'm not sure if everybody would agree, but most of us were mentally hit, right? Yung mental na aspect natin medyo tinamaan. Um, and I started, doing journaling again. I do journaling pero most of the time written lang. Ngayon, ginawa ko, may sketching, plus verses, may mga, not really painting pa, di ba? Oil pastel, ganun yung nag-start ako nun. So, pandemic 2021, nag-mix media na ako. Until finally, I decided on 2022, mag-join na nga ng watercolor course with Artillery Philippines. So, I was just browsing sa Facebook. Tapos nakita ko, uy, teka, baka ito na yun, kailangan kong matuto. Kasi since I have to teach Marcus sa aming homeschool, required kami as parent-teacher magturo.
Another question from Sujin. Sabi niya, ano yung paborito niyong i-paint or best subject to paint?
Oh, actually, kung ano yung best subject to paint, it depends on you. No, it depends on the artist. Pero ako, personally, nag-iiba-iba yung favorite ko. Right now, facial features. Tapos, yun, I'm more on to portrait. Kasi ang gusto ko nga ma-achieve is magkaroon ng more realistic paintings. So, pumupunta ako sa portrait this month lang naman. And I believe next month mag-iiba to. Magkakaroon ako ng landscape, floral, and possibly more not realistic painting. More on kung ano yung nasa isip ko talaga.
Si Leia, she wants to know if kailan daw, ayan, na-excite na, nagmamanifest na talaga. Kailan po kung sakaling magkaroon ng art exhibition to visit?
Actually, yung sa mga art exhibition, may nakikita kami, no? Yung mga fellow artists sa community, may nakikita kami. Madalas si Mami Gretchen yung nagsisend. Di ba? So yun, pag ganun, tumitingin lang din ako sa Facebook. Actually, may nakita ko ngayon, i-share ko din sa group. I think it will be February 25. I haven't joined yet, by the way, but I will review yung guidelines and see if I can join. Yun, yung exhibit, hindi ko pa sure when. Pero yun, may nakikita-kita kami. So, magjo-join kami. And popost for sure namin sa social media if magjo-join ako or nag-join ako.
For my last question yan, right now I'm showing yung from June to January. Pero, one last question. What's your advice to beginner watercolor painters?
To the beginner like me, huwag kayong matakot. Ayan. And I'm pretty sure, no, it's having fear, apprehension, these are normal emotions. Our fears are just there. Kasi nga fear, di ba, parang false evidence of actual reality. Yung acronym niya. Di ba? False evidence of actual reality. So in short, fear is just there. It's not real. It's just like our subconscious mind is creating it. So what do we have to do? Are we gonna hold on to that fear or let it go and fight it? So ang pinaka ma-advise ko, we fight that fear kasi hindi siya totoo. Hindi siya totoo. It's just lies na nakikreate sa utak natin. So yun. And if there are doubts also, we have to face yung doubts na yun. On top of that, we make sure our heart is willing to learn. Kasi talagang there will be moments magiging prideful yung heart natin na parang, teka, tama bang mag-critic session pa sa akin to, ganyan-ganyan. So yun, pag may critic session, we have to be open. Kasi sina Sir John, sina Sir Ian, when they send feedback or things to improve on, they're very encouraging. That's what we call positive criticism, diba? So, open heart lang din. So, pag you feel like baka mamaya makriticize ka agad, no, just do your artwork. Don't hesitate to continue doing what you love doing. Yun lang.
Yan.
Face the fear. Short.
True, true talaga. Hindi mo siya ma-overcome kung tatakasan mo lang siya, kung iiwasan
Exactly.
mo lang siya. You really have to face it. Ayan. So thank you so much, Mitchie, pero stay put ka lang. Ayan. So guys,
Thank
um
you.
actually, ayan, alam ko nabanggit na rin 'to madalas ni Mitchie kanina, but she's one of the students in our watercolor painting course. Kasama namin siya sa community. Okay? But now, guys, I have a question for you. You're here because you want to learn about watercolors, like Michi, correct? You also want to improve and feel more confident, kagaya ni Michi. So, guys, would you rather do it yourself or would you rather have a proven path to success? Kasi, guys, I'm about to share with you how you can accelerate your watercolor journey, kagaya ng nangyari kay Michi. But first, I want to confirm. Do you think you deserve this opportunity? Kasi guys, if you believe you deserve this, then I want you to type, I deserve this in the chat section. And if you want to make your time doing watercolor more meaningful and more productive, then our watercolor painting course membership is for you. Kasi guys, we are on a mission to accelerate your growth all while having fun learning together. You will have a lifetime access. This is going to be a lifetime membership. So, hindi to panandalian lang. Kasi naniniwala kami, we highly believe that a one-day workshop is not enough. One afternoon workshop, it's not enough. There's a lot of things na you have to do. You have to do it again. 'Di ba? Kailangan may consistency. And of course, even just doing it by yourself is not enough. And in this course, guys, you will have two amazing mentors to guide you. Ayan, ilang beses na itong binanggit ni Michi kanina, Sir John and Sir Ian. So now, guys, let me introduce. Sino ba yung mga magiging mentors? Sino ba yung magsusupport and mag-guide sa atin sa journey? Our first mentor is John Lapore. Ayan, if you want to check his works, just type _John_Lapore on Instagram. And nakikita nyo naman sa screen, yan yung mga paintings niya. Yung some of this is parang inspired by other artists like Kellogg's Loops, diba? And if you want to learn realistic and semi-realistic portraits, then Sir John will be helping and guiding you. Okay, and for our second mentor, this is Sir Ian or Raven Fox 13 online. And si Sir Ian naman, he will teach us the watercolor foundations, okay? From the very basics, okay? If just like Michi, if you are a complete beginner, nandyan yung mga mentors natin to answer, 'di ba? Basic materials, yung mga terms, ano ba yung mga techniques, brush practices. And aside from that, Sir Ian will also teach us how to paint landscapes and florals. And again, guys, you will have lifetime access. Okay, so you will have access to basic watercolor foundations, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, basic watercolor techniques, color theory, and how to mix colors. Ayan. You will have access to watercolor portraits, how you can paint realistic and semi-realistic and realistic styles, and portrait art basics. You will have access to florals and landscape watercolors. And for this, guys, yung classes natin will be online. Okay, it will be delivered live via Zoom twice a month. And our schedule is every weekends. Okay, second and fourth Saturday of the month, 2 to 5 p.m. Twice a month online classes. Sa classes natin, it will be hands-on. You will see the mentors paint. Your classmates will paint with you. And ituturo talaga sa inyo yung techniques, yung step by step. And aside from the lessons, diba? You will have a Facebook community. Yan yung isa sa pinaka-importante, guys. Support, diba? If you want to ask questions, if you want to get advice from your mentors, if you want to make friends with other watercolor artists, then we have the community for that. And ito pa guys, we also assign homeworks. 'Di ba? Nabanggit na rin to kanina ni Michi na meron talagang mga homeworks. And All you have to do is, of course, to post your works, and then our mentors will give you feedback. They will critique. They will point out ano ba yung mga positive about your works, ano ba yung areas for improvement, what are the practices or things na you have to do to improve. Okay? And if ever you are busy, 'di ba, meron kang work, if you are still studying, if you are a full-time parent and you don't have time every second and fourth Saturday, you don't have to worry because we will provide the replays and you will have access to that. You will have access to PDF guides and reference photos. So never nang magiging problem yung wala akong time. But here's the deal, guys. We are not just taking in anyone. Because of course, we believe that the better the fit, the better the results. And we want to work with aspiring watercolor artists who wants to be empowered. You want in, right? You said you deserve this. Here's how the process works. This is for you if, just like Michi, you want to learn watercolor painting from the very basics. This is for you if, kagaya ni Michi, you are a watercolor artist who feels stuck with your current level and wants to improve. This is for you if, like Michi, you want to surround yourself with like-minded people and share your watercolor journey. And, of course, this is for you if, kagaya ni Michi, you want to go from amateur, from a complete beginner to a professional. So this is it, guys. Diba? Ito na yan. This is the moment of truth. Earlier, you said na you want to learn. Diba? You deserve this opportunity. And all you have to do now is to click the link in our pinned comments. Diba? Ayan na, guys. This is your chance na. Ano pa? Diba? Baka ito na yung sign. Just like Michi earlier, baka ito na rin yung sign for you guys to apply and level up your watercolor skills or to finally learn how to paint using watercolor. So here I will show you what will happen ba nung mangyayari if I click the link. So guys, just to give you an idea, if you will click the link in our pinned comment, you will be directed to our application form. Okay, so watercolor course application, just click start and then finish the series of questions. Kailangan tapusin niyo yung mga questions, and the last part is if we see that you are a good fit, magkakaroon kayo ng option to pick a schedule and book a call with us. Because of course, we have to talk to you first. We have to understand ano ba yung struggle nyo, gaano nyo na ba katagal tinatry, gaano nyo na ba katagal kayo nagsastruggle, and what are your goals. Diba? And then, ayun na. After that, if you have questions about the course, if we see that we can help you, then we will present the solution for you. What will you be tomorrow if you start today? Take the leap. Imagine, guys, ano kaya yung mga kaya nyong i-paint 1 month from now, 2 months from now, 6 months from now, or 1 year from now? Can you imagine yourself, diba, painting your favorite flowers? Diba? Can you imagine yourself painting yung scenery dun sa place na visit nyo? Can you imagine yourself painting your family members, your loved ones? And all you have to do now is, of course, grab this opportunity. Take the leap.